Hey everybody, Habs again. I'm really glad to see you today. And of course there are no viewers right now, but I'm really glad to see everybody who is right now with me, even if it's me. I'm really glad to see you. Yeah, the purpose of the stream is to show you what is NMaker and what the purpose of NMaker and what the initial purpose of NMaker and what we're gonna do in this stream. Like, first things first. First of all, we need to make a simple intro what NMaker is, and make some planning what kind of feature it has lack of, and you know the drill. Let me show you the repo where it's served. Like in NMaker, it's served in GitHub, and also worth mentioning that I created Paralyzer package. Just this package that parses subtitles and then paralyze them. Like, for instance, you have Russian and French subtitles and you want to paralyze them and pull them off together, like to make transcript. You can do this one. Yeah, like this. Like, I have some kind of examples right now. Yeah. And paralyzer is just to parse subtitles, and NMaker uses this package like here. And this is like a CLI that built on the top of Node.js, and probably it will be better that I'll show you what this thing is, like the paralyzer, and what the purpose of this in practice. Like, for instance, we have like a movie, let's say Thor, I don't really remember, The Dark World. It doesn't really matter. We have a movie and we have two sets of subtitles. Like, the first one is the English one and the second one is the Russian one. And let's open the English one. Let's find some phrase or like a word, it doesn't really matter, and try to use this. It's this like a CLI tool. Let's say we want to extract some, like this one. I wanna extract the phrase "I saw you on a TV." We can do this. It's not a big deal. We can do this. I hope we can do this. It's not gonna be broken. And let's wait for a few seconds. And it's going to be exported to the output folder directory. I like directory because folder sounds like it's something ugly. I don't know. But it's really great to know what's the difference between those things. Let's just write this down as notes. And what's the difference between directory and folder? I guess what's different, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna tell you about this one in the next stream. Yeah, we just cut it. We have cut up the movie cut. Of course, we can open the txt file, and this is our like a transcript. The first is English one, the second is Russian one, and this is the word, the phrase we exported. And also we have this.
I saw you on TV. You were in New York.
Jane, I fought to protect you from the dangers of...
But I saw you on TV.
I don't know. You hear this voice or not? I hope you hear this voice. I don't really know. I hope you hear this voice. Let's try it again.
You were in New York.
Jane, I fought to protect you from the dangers of...
But I saw you on TV. You were in New York.
Jane, I fought to protect you from the dangers of...
Yeah, the subtitles are a bit broken because you need to have kind of equal timestamps for all of those things, but usually you can find out correct time. Oh god, correct subtitles, and everything's gonna work okay. Yeah, it's the first mode is phrase, and also we can make a movie cut using timestamps. let's say I wanna, I don't know, let's find some words like suffered. I don't know why suffered, but let's use suffered. Suffer, yeah. And the timestamp is this one. And let's go along to this. And let's wait for a few seconds. Usually it's faster, maybe because the movie is like a full HD and it takes more time to cut. But anyway, it's not a like a forever, it's not eternity. And let's
But I saw you on TV. You were in New York.
it was kind of Asgardian language. Yeah, let's get another one. I don't really know Asgardian language because I'm not like a Marvel fan. This is why we need to check something out, like this one. Yeah, let's make as many of them as we can. It's gonna be like, I don't know, life force. It doesn't really matter. The purpose of the mode, the things that I'm doing just to show you the timestamp mode. Like the first timestamp, and let's stop it here. And just close the VLC. And go to this one. Also, worth mentioning that it's mandatory to get some cup of tea, and yeah, cookies are not required, but tea and water is really required when you're watching this stream. Let me see, maybe somebody is right now. Somebody is here. Not really, I'm alone here, it's not a big deal. I'm got used to it when I'm streaming alone. Yeah, it's just temporary thing, time will tell.
It seeks out host bodies, drawing strength from their life force. Malekith sought to use the Ether's power to return the universe to one of darkness.
Yeah.
It seeks out host
It's working. And it's kind of all of the purpose. Of course, there is such thing as caching. Like if you type the same word again, maybe you change something in the config, like you offset sections, and you don't need to type your section in once again, and you just can use the timestamp from the cache, and it's kind of it. It's kind of really simple one, but it helped me create a lot of those kind of posts. Oh god, you probably saw my scary face. Oh, it's really funny. Yeah, it helped me to create a lot of posts for this channel, and it helped me a lot. It's kind of automate my routine and made me loving this channel again. Kind of, I think the recent, like the last 1,000 of posts was made by this tool, by using this tool. Yeah, it's kind of it. Like the things that I would like to have in the tool is, like, I really wanna have like automatically fetched like a transcription, like this translation, and also I want to have ability to add some kind of questions, like using CLI, like only CLI, and that's it, because it would be really great. And better off, the thing will be kind of automatically schedule all of the posts inside of the CLI, but it's kind of really big plans, but I don't think it's kind of a big deal to create this thing. It's not a big deal at all. I think I don't have any kind of private information, because right now there is no private information. Maybe you saw me like that I was like a screaming, but it was just like a training myself, like a unleashing actor inside myself. Let's say this in this way. But I'm not an actor, I'm just unleashing myself as not as a streamer, just I'm trying to do something because I really like to tell about something that I have, or I will have, or just like to tell about something. Yeah, let's write down some things that I mentioned, like what I want to have, like the features I like to have in the future, like automatically generated, like what? Generated transcription and automatically fetched oh god, fetched translation, ability to set a question, set up a question inside of the CLI tool. It would be really great to have this thing, and everything should be bold as well. Of course, some kind of let's write it down. Of course, like create a bot for scheduling the posts. Also, I have some kind of bots that fetch some kind of things from Yarn. It's not this Yarn that you can think of. It's kind of Yarn.io. Yeah, get the Yarn.io. There are a lot of clips that you can find out in English, and it's kind of cool to get something from here. And I have like a repo where I made kind of portion of the Yarn.io site. But as I recall, I didn't push it here. But yeah, I didn't. I think I need to push like to the Git, because maybe there's possibilities that I can lose my data, and I don't want to lose them. I don't want to lose the code. And it's kind of really the great note right now. Like push the. I don't really remember how it's called. Like the English, but the GitHub repo. There are two repos, like the backend and the client, and yeah, this is one we want to build. But it's really big task to create a bot for scheduling the posts. It's really big one. But those one gonna save me a lot of time, and I think we can make them as a checklist. Like it would be better and cooler. And what else I can create to automate all of the things? Like I've implemented the formatting to make it look cooler, and let's think about what can I do to make something with this. Like it's kind of idea. I don't know. It's really possible, but I think it's really possible. Like, you know, fetch questions where this word is presented. Okay, let's fetch questions where the word is presented. Maybe it will be cool to have some AI thing, like use machine learning to generate some questions, even based on a video. But it's really kind of something that I would like to do in the future. But right now it's not. I'm not seeking for it. The most important things are 3 of those, like automatically generated transcription, automatically fetch transcription, and ability to set up questions inside of the CLI tool. And that's it. It would be really cool. Yeah, I don't know, what can I tell you about? Yeah, this package was really kind of popular for our first week of this, like existing of this package. Yeah, I've just like recorded this stream just for myself, because it's really easy to start something off when you just recording, because if you started to do something, you started to do this, and you can't stop because you started. And it's a really great tool for your productivity, just to get rid of procrastination, because procrastination kills people, and it sucks. Also, right now there is decline of physical activities, like on a street, like on a fresh air. It's really hard to come up for some air because there are a lot of snow. But maybe, I don't know. Yeah, of course I wanna go out and do some kind of physical activities. Maybe like somehow walking, it will be really cool, because you can ride, and if you didn't have some kind of things like on your tire. I really forget the word. Like, it's kind of really spikes. Yeah, those are tire spikes. Yeah, thank you, Dipple. You helped me a lot of times. Because, like, what's the ways to improve English if not just try to Google something that you don't really know? It's kind of really great way to learn something new. Yeah, it's kind of to refresh stolen moments in your mind. And yeah, also I want to mention that if you're using this Maker thing, it's really hard to poke out your eye, because it's working, it's quite stable, you know. Of course there is some room for improvement, but it's quite stable. And this is probably the time that I don't have anything to add. I've got some ideas. Maybe somebody gonna watch this stream, maybe somebody is not, but the purpose of the stream was just to show you and help me to just create some plan, refresh something in my mind, just sort it out, and that's it. I hope you having a great day, and I hope you will have a great day, and I hope you will have a really, really satisfying and great life. And see you in the next one. Bye. I think the next one will be in a few days. Yeah. See you. Take care of yourself.